Most people think LinkedIn is only for jobs, but today I will show you how you can actually earn income from LinkedIn using affiliate marketing. If you are a student, if you are a freelancer, and if you have a no job and you have a zero experience, in this video I will show you how you can earn income with the help of LinkedIn. My name is Mubashir Nazar, a LinkedIn growth consultant and automation tool specialist. I help people generate leads and income using LinkedIn the smart way. Let's talk about one good store that give you good income. And here is a proof of income. Now you can see that people are earning a lot of money from affiliate marketing. And now this is a proof of one store, and this store is called TechnoArt. And now here is a website of TechnoArt, and different products are available. You just need to sell these products and earn income. Affiliate marketing means you promote someone else's product when someone buy using your affiliate link and you earn a commission. The best part is on LinkedIn you don't need a website, paid ads or a big following. With the help of LinkedIn you can sell these products, and if you have a Facebook account and if you have a TikTok account you can easily sell these products. And now question is why LinkedIn is perfect for affiliate marketing. Because on LinkedIn high quality audience, because on LinkedIn lot of professional decision makers, CEOs, C-level people are available, and LinkedIn is trusted based platform, and you can get organic reach, and people buy solution not entertainment. On a LinkedIn people are also buying, and on a LinkedIn people are also professionals and decision making. So the perfect audience for selling something is LinkedIn. LinkedIn users come to solve problems, and that is why affiliate marketing works extremely well on a LinkedIn. I have added my affiliate link in video description. You can join here, and this is a link. Simply you just need to write your name, email address and password, and after this you just need to click on create account. After verifying your email and your account will be ready, and now you can see that. Here is a display of TechnoArt, and anything that you will sell it will appear here, and now you can see that. And from payment side I want to show you, and now if you will sell anything and payment will come here, and minimum you can pay out $20, and you can also set up different more settings are available. You can also set here PayPal or Pioneer according to your requirement. And here is a setting. You can write your phone number, website, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and you can change your referral code, and different more settings are available. You can choose according to your requirement. And next question is how the post and product look like on a LinkedIn. I am just search here the TechnoArt, and now the people are posting. Now you can see that different products are available. Now people are posting with a buying link. Now you can see that description is also available, hashtag, everything is available. You need to post on your LinkedIn account. If you have a TikTok account you can also post, and if you have a Facebook account you can also post here. Now you can see that people are earning a lot of money, and now people also post here. Now you can see that. And now question is how you can post. Simply you just need to open your account, and you just need to click on marketing tools, and under the marketing tools now you can see that different products are available. So you can choose product according to your requirement. Simply what you need to do, simply you just need to copy the content, and now you can see that from here you just need to copy the content, and this is your referral link. First you need to make your referral link copied, and you just need to paste here product link, and now this is your link. And after this you just need to download the video, and from here you can also download. For example you just need to click on download media, and after this you just need to copy the content. For example I'm just copying here, and open your LinkedIn account. And after this you just need to upload your video. For example I'm just starting the product, and now you can see that. From here you just need to add media, and now I just download one image, and now this is a video. You just need to click on next, and after this you just need to paste the content, and now you can see that. You can also make a hashtag according to your requirement. You can also rewrite this content with the help of ChatGPT. And now, for example, I'm just putting here the innovation one hashtag. You can also put hashtag under this description. So it totally depends on you. So different hashtags are available. You can use hashtag according to your requirement. For example, I am just putting here this one, and after this you just need to copy your referral link, and now here is a referral link. You just need to copy, and then you just need to paste here, and now your referral link is available. So it's so easy. Same like this you can also post on your Facebook, your TikTok account. So if you have other social media, you can also post this one. And if you want, you can also put here the hashtag according to your requirement. If you want right here, for example, I'm just writing here the mosque. You can also write here the beauty. So your hashtag should be relevant to your content. For example, this one is a blackhead mosque remover. So different hashtag according to your content you can write here. And once you are satisfied with your content, you just need to click on post. And now you can see that your post is ready, and don't forget to mention the company name. And now here is you just need to write that at the rate of, and after this you just need to mention here the techno art, and now I am mentioning here same like this. If you have any question about LinkedIn post bootstrap or LinkedIn account restrictions, or any other question about affiliate marketing, or any question about techno art, so I am available here. Thank you for watching this video.